I am Colby Kruger-Jones, Senior Director of Marketing Strategy and Product Marketing here at LTK. I have been in the influencer marketing industry for over 10 years, and I've held various roles across the organization and have had the opportunity to meet creators face-to-face globally and spend time with them and really understand their pain points and how we can continue to solve them and champion their business here at LTK. Truly, I feel empowered in the workplace as a woman to be given the opportunity to share my opinion, to be asked my opinion. In addition to that, it's the opportunity to lead others, truly have a leadership opportunity and see others and inspire others to take leadership roles. My experience as a woman in a male-dominated field has been incredible here at LTK. The opinion as the client expert has been welcomed and sought after for many key decisions. Continue to challenge yourself. When you feel uncomfortable, it's typically right, and continue to challenge yourself and work through those emotions, and it's almost always a great growth opportunity from a professional standpoint as well as a personal standpoint. Another piece of advice I love to share often is ask for opinions. Be an active listener and listen to those around you. Really welcome others to learn with you and be a collaborative leader in that sense.